Isenkingeni inkampani ephakela ugesi kulelizwe. Ukucekelwa phansi kwempahla yayo yikhona okuyingqinamba enkulu. Amalahle axutshwe namatshe athengiselwa lenkampani nokwebiwa kodizili ngezinye izinto okubikwa ukuthi ziholela ekutheni kube nohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi kuleli. I-Eskom ilahlekelwa izigidi zemali ngenxa yalomonakalo.
I'm obviously disappointed that I could not achieve all of the objectives that I had set myself. I think the circumstances surrounding Eskom are well known. The operational challenges, the financial challenges, the challenges surrounding societal matters, including crime and corruption, as well as some of the issues that we have experienced in delivering the unbundling of Eskom and making sure that we can achieve our objectives in that regard.
Kubikwa ukuthi uphiko lwezomhloli yilona oluphakamise ukuthi kujutshwe umbutho wezokuvikela ukunqanda lomonakalo. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa wenze lesi simemezelo ngempela sonto. Kanti ke nayo iSANDF isikulungele ukuqala umsebenzi.
Of the ongoing acts of theft, vandalism and general criminality that is impacting Eskom energy generation and transmission infrastructure, which needs an agent security and protection by the SANDF in order to protect from further threats that are ongoing as we know.
Bakhona abantu asebevele beboshiwe ngamacala okucekela phansi impahla yeEskom. Okubalwa kubo nesisebenzisayo.